Hi everyone, it's Kris here from the design team, and on today's video I want to inspire you to find a design that you like and recreate it yourself using cut files from printable, cuttable, creatables and adding your own spin on things. So right now I'm going to show you a picture of the sign that I found on Michael's Canada website. So when I seen this sign, I thought of some cut files from printable, cuttables, creatables that I could use to make my own sign. And so here is my version of that sign now. I think this turned out wonderful. I absolutely love this. When it's not being filmed, it is hanging up in my dining room area right by my kitchen table. Meet me at the pumpkin patch, hay rides, caramel, apples, and cider. So the font I used with the Cricut pen is Alta, and it is found in the Cricut system. So it's a font that comes with the Cricut. The font for Pumpkin Patch is Impact, and the cut files that I used for this are the pretty autumn flowers for the leaves and the maple leaves there. I also use the pumpkin mandala, this beautiful center one right there, and I use the whole split monogram frame flourish pumpkin for these pumpkins right here. I really love the way that this turned out. I love that I left the leaf portion loose, and all of the leaves I've raised them up a bit to give them that 3D effect. And so I put this in my 3D Shadowbox frame, and it hangs up on my wall. So the items that you will need for this project is you need your cutting machine. I use a Cricut Maker. I use the Cricut Black Pen. I use the Cricut Red Pen, cardstock of various fall colors, precision glue pen, 3D foam adhesives, and I have a shadow box frame that I frame the picture in. So those are the supplies that you need to get started on this project. Alright, so let's get started. So right now I'm showing you the layout. I actually used the Cricut pen twice because I got a little bit of water near the H for hay rides and I didn't like it, so I actually redid the paper with the Cricut pen. So that's why you see it laid out on that one, and I will have a new one come into the picture. But the first step that I'm doing is I'm adding 3D foam adhesives to the pumpkin patch letters, and I'm going to put it on the offset feature in the orange color. So right now I'm adding the kind of outline of the 3D foam adhesive circles to the back of my pumpkin patch words. I use every single inch of this 3D foam stickers. Don't let it go to waste. You could easily use the outside edges of these circles, and that's what you see me doing right here. Now here comes the fun part of just laying everything out in the order of how you want it laid out on your paper, and just have fun with it. Test it out. I've tested it out a couple times and I finally found the way that I like it set up. So now you're going to see me adding the 3D foam adhesives to all my pieces, and I'm going to be just decorating my page. So I encourage you to go on Pinterest or look online for any of the fall home decor things that you see, and I encourage you to make your own, and you'll probably just love it that much more that you've made it rather than bought it, and you'll enjoy the process. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you. So thank you for being here, and I will see you all next time.